Welcome to the Partner Business Technical Support Team. My name is Phil and I'll be taking you through some of the basic functionality for fault finding for the Diagnostic Utility software. For this video, the devices we'll be using will be some C-bus output units, a C-bus input unit, so 30 mech, and we've just got a USB C-bus interface. The components of the Diagnostic Utility software we'll be looking at will be the reliability test as well as the traffic analyzer, as these are probably going to be the ones that you're going to be requested from tech support to have a look at. To do it, essentially what we need to do is first of all download Diagnostic Utility, install it and open it up. Just be aware that if you're running Diagnostic Utility, you basically have to have it has to have its own interface. You can't have Diagnostic Utility and Toolkit running at the same time through the same port. It's not possible. So if you do want to do that, you have to get two interfaces. So in this particular case, we've just got the one. The first thing you need to do, looking at the software, is if you go to Options, Program Options, select your type of interface. In my case, it's a serial. Go COM5, press OK. From here, what you need to do is press this button here, which is Connect Disconnect. That will go through the connection process, and from here we'll go into the reliability test. So to run the reliability test, what we need to do is the following. So if I come over to this software here, if I go C-bus reliability test, it'll pop up this other window, and all I need to do is just press start. What will happen is it goes out, tries to communicate with every device, and then it will constantly ping that device to check communications, and if it's successful and it hears a reply back, it will come up as a good. If it doesn't, it will come up as a failure and they will get logged. Now this is really useful if you are experiencing, or if you suspect there could be issues. You run this over an extended period of time and have a look at which particular unit could be causing the issue. So if we have another look at the interface, so we've got a list of those units here. We've got obviously the unit type, firmware, condition, that will be populated over time, and unit voltage. And if we have a look, you can see that just from this screen here, it is actually constantly transmitting onto the network just to get those values. You also have min unit voltage specified straight out. You don't have to look through or sort through 100 different units. You've got max, so you can work out your voltage drop. Well, it even specifies that for you just straight down directly below it, and it also shows you the average. And right now you can see that it's coming up as condition perfect for all those. As, let's just say for example, if you've left that running over a 24-hour period and faults have occurred along the line, as the faults occur, this particular value down here will update from anything but perfect. What we'll go through now is how to set up a traffic analyzer for your C-bus network. Fortunately, I have a unit that has been giving us a few problems, so we can actually see some of the some errors popping up within the actual C-bus network, just to give you a demonstration of what to look for. So if I go over to the Diagnostic Utility, it's already connected. All I need to do is go C-bus traffic analyzer. It will pop up with another screen. Screen's here. I'll move that up, and what happens is, as time passes, it records the number of messages sent and the number of messages that it determines as errors. And again, from what you can see from my log, like I said, I've got a faulty unit, one which was basically shorted out. It's causing a few errors to be sent up on the actual C-bus network. So just to give you a demonstration of good messages being sent across as well, I've got this particular button programmed to channel 1 of the universal dimmer. If I turn that group on and off, we should see an increase of C-bus messages. So we're starting to get blue appearing because they're good messages that are being sent across. If I increase the rate, that should increase as well. So ideally what you don't want a whole heap of messages being sent across the C-bus network, because the more you start throwing across the pink cable, you know, the more likely things are starting, not so much get missed, but get delayed. So it's typically not an issue. It's, like I said, it's typically not an issue if you've got programmed these natively, but if you're using things like logic within a touchscreen or a PAC unit or something like that, if you don't program it correctly, you could get excessive network traffic across the C-bus cable, and that is what you want to avoid. You're also, you know, coming across and seeing a lot of red appearing on the screen on your traffic. That's not a good thing. If you do see that, make sure you get in contact with tech support. It might be a case of doing a reliability test. You would definitely have to do Seagate Level 9, have Seagate Level 9 logs sent in. So if you need more information as to how to set that up, please refer to the video for that. And that basically concludes this video. Just like to say a big thank you for watching it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact the Clipsal technical support team or the partner business technical support team. Just get in contact with your local Clipsal representative and they'll put you through to us. Thanks again for watching.